Whoa, whoa, hold up. That's the wrong intro. You know what? I think I can make this work. Lisle's here. Hey guys, got another interesting tool here today. These are the hose remover pliers from Lisle tools. I use them mostly for removing fuel lines. They're kind of interesting because they're half black and half white. Kind of like that old Star Trek episode, Let That Be Your Last Battlefield, where they had two guys and one guy was half black and half white, and the other guy was half white and half black. Anyway, Lisle did that to make these easier to use, so the black side goes up against the tube, and the white side goes up against the hose that you want to remove. And then you just squeeze the pliers, and it pushes the hose off the tube. The black side has sharpened edges on it, so when you hold it at a slight angle, it kind of bites into the metal tube to give you extra grip and push off the hose. Now that can scratch up the tube a little bit, but yeah, it's not going to hurt anything. The Lisles also work great if you have something like a fuel filter where the black side can press up against it. But you need to have a big enough gap in between the fuel filter and the hose to fit the tool in there, which a lot of times you don't have, so these won't work on everything. The Lisles also have what I think is a major design flaw. The V-notches on the black side and the white side are not perfectly aligned. You can see here on the left edge of the V, the black side is peeking through from behind, but on the right edge of the V, you can't see the black side at all. This works fine when you just have a hose pressed onto a regular metal tube, but a lot of times there's a little nubbin or a bump or a ridge on the tube, and the hose is pressed right up against that nubbin. This would be fine if you could get the tool in between the nubbin and the hose, but usually there's not enough room and you can't. So you end up having to put the black side of the tool behind the nubbin, and then the white side of the tool ends up sitting over the nubbin. So the sharpened edges on the black side no longer make contact with the tube, and it can't bite in. And if you position the tool behind the nubbin, you end up just pushing on the nubbin instead of the hose, and the black side just scratches up the tube. There needs to be more clearance on the white side's V-notch to get over that nubbin. So in order to actually use this tool, we're going to have to modify it. I'm going to hog out the V-notch on the white side until we can see the black side peeking through on both the left and right edges of the V. I have the pliers held open with a clamp and then the whole thing held in a vise. I'm just taking a Dremel with a grinding stone on it and hogging out that V-notch. Now this stone isn't getting deep enough into the V-notch, so I'll switch to a smaller stone to finish it out. You could finish up with a hand file if you want it to look nice. Now despite what some people think, I really don't care what the tools that I actually use in my shop look like, so I'm fine with this grinding job as is. And you can see here we have a much larger V-notch on the white side now, and we have enough clearance to get over that nubbin on the tube. So we should be able to put this on our tube with the white side sitting on top of that nubbin, and the black side should now be able to bite into the tube. Now that we have some clearance, let's move the tool over to the other side of that nubbin. Okay, excellent. That worked great. I think this successful modification calls for a special beverage. If you want these pliers, I'll put an Amazon link in the video description. They're only $12, which isn't too bad for a USA-made tool. Yeah, it sucks we had to modify it to get it to work properly. Lisle should just make these with a larger V-notch opening on the white side, and then they'd work fine, and the alignment thing wouldn't be an issue. I'm also tempted to put a reverse sharpened edge on the white side to maybe make it easier to squeeze the tool in between the fuel filter and the hose. I don't know. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't already. See you later. Bye.